hands up, damn, this is our anthem. All these hoes is on the scene like, damn, this nigga's handsome. First I had to be reserved, but now I can just grab one. My videos is real life, we shoot those shits to have fun. She be saying take me out, I be playing take me down. Me and Skills is Nas and Puff, recreating hate me now. I don't gotta talk shit, what I'm making make me loud. I love it when my dad call and say, down boy, you make me proud. I be on my van shit, had to put them Nikes down. Air Force Jordans, nah, I never fuck with Nike now. All these kids ain't cool to me, but you can't hate on Mikey now. Fuck Soulja Boy, dawg, I heard that shit at Ice-T house. My Gucci bring them ices out like Gucci, I'm so icy now. I tap my hood all on my arm, don't make me bring my license out. Try and get my cake right, baby bring the icing out. That mean you gon' hate, right? Make me bring the Tyson out. When I'm in the building, nigga, make sure all the lights is out. Now I'm gon' shine by any means. They say he the nicest out. Best car, nicest house. All that shit they writing about never meant shit to me. Fuck you so excited about Maybachs, Phantoms. Damn, these is our anthems. I used to look up the stars, but